So the tins come with 4 of these blocks to grow 4 lots in the little, you've got a little tin of seeds, one variety, and they will do 4 pots like this. But once you take the cover off after sort of 4 days and you're seeing them germinate and you want to keep growing, you can actually use one of the blocks to do the lid, growing the lid. So you'll have them growing continuously as opposed to harvesting one and then starting again. And I'm just going to test this out, check this works. So again, it's sort of 20 to 40 ml of water. And I have said about putting them into a dish for the coir to expand and then transferring it into here. But you can actually, it does work just as well in here. And you can see the water, that's all being soaked up by the coir and expanding. And then what I'm going to do is put that over, so you'll see there it's a little bit dry there, so a little bit more water wouldn't go amiss. Again, you can really spread it out first and then add some more water, but it's good because obviously, look, you'll see it's still expanding out, and if it's still moving and expanding, then just add some more water. And this will do the lid as well. And this is sort of then getting you started and seeing how it works before sort of investing in one of the larger kits. If it's something you want to continue to do, it gives you some confidence that you can do it in here, you can do it in the larger kits. And the larger kits contain the bamboo trays, and they are designed to grow continuously. So when you get them into the light, the first batch, first 3 trays, then you will get the next 3 out and do them, so it'll be continuous, so you won't have to stop and start and think, you know, you've got some now and you're going to have to wait another 7 days. It's quite a good thing to know that you've got them growing all the time. So that's like that, and I'm just going to give that a little bit of sprinkling of water. I'm going to try another seed in that one. I'm going to just put some rocket in that one because I've got some rocket to hand, and this is a finer seed, you'll see, and it's a lighter colour, so you'll probably be able to see it clearer how much you actually need. You don't really need that many. And these little spoons are great because you can get issues with clumping when you do them too thick, which it will grow out, and again I'll make some videos, I will cause that to happen, and then I can show you what to do if that happens. So like that, and again it's not that much, you don't need that much. And then I'm going to sprinkle that with some water, because obviously you took the lid off this one when it was grown, and then you can use it for this. But if you wanted to, you could quite easily do 2 together like that. And then just get a bit of cardboard. I mean, obviously I've got our germination covers from the larger kits, but any bit of cardboard will do like that. And then put them somewhere warm to germinate, and then I'll check in a few days and catch up with how they're going.